What happened?
How's he doing?
You come to Inwood, bud.
Yeah.
It's morning time even.
Well, barely anymore. Basically middle of the night, but you know, I made her.
Nice. Oh, we should paint something, dude.
Oh, you want big danks on the wall?
Well, I mean, no, but you know, it'd be cool if we try to not get a whole bunch of overspray into the ceiling, though. You know what I mean? Put some cardboard up there or something, but make it, you know, solid. So it's like whatever you do. I don't know how to make it look cool, but I want it to look cool. You know what I mean? But like say stuff that I would say, like not like
be like chooch and like pant antler, but like in graffiti stuff.
Yeah.
I'd have to like draw it on a piece of paper first, and then I know like what to do because I don't draw those words. But yeah.
What words do you draw?
Just whatever I want.
That's quite
In there?
situation.
Is it jabbed?
Oh, it might not. I don't know. If I could drop it off the manifold, then it might be easy. Or sort of.
Fuck, I should put that in my car.
We need
Couch?
Yeah.
Front seat?
Take out the front seat, put that in.
we need the impact. We need the impact sockets. It's a drag. That's a bit of a drag. Eh? Yeah. All right. I keep doing other stuff though, and it's just like, it's like the Grumman got hard, and I'm like, oh, it's hard, right? So,
There's other stuff that's way easier.
yeah, I'm gonna do the way easier stuff. Oh well, yeah, of course. I knew it. I fucking knew it. I knew I should have come out here and put batteries on charge last night. I'm a stupid pile of shit goof.
Oh no, your batteries are dead?
No batteries on charge. Idiot goof, ginger. Oh, we got one basic battery with no amp hours at all. Right there, so that's cool. What's this one? Oh, 2 bars on a good battery, so that's cool. Should probably put that on charge too. And then like some point of the day, there'll be at least 1/10 of a battery. I got other batteries, so I don't know where they are. Are you good at carrying stuff, Jim? I heard you got burnt for something.
I got what?
You got burnt for something.
Oh yeah, this one time.
Yeah, that'd be perfect. I gotta carry my battery pack out there because my camera phone dies instantly. I'm just like thrusting. I'm like, eh? Oh yeah, could you imagine getting all that up in you? Oh,
Oh, I'm just like giving it the Gundy.
eh? Oh, you'd be all like,
Imagine being on the receiving end.
oh, Lord, wow, that'd be great.
Get on the receiving end of this?
What is it? I might.
Oh,
I'm good on that.
I'm pretty much good for now, but you know, I'll let you know, I guess. I'm pretty much good.
4 right now.
Well, early for that.
Yeah, maybe this afternoon, you know what I mean? See how it goes.
Budweiser.
Yeah. And so, like, this thing's heavy as f, Jim, so put your f***ing zone into it. Make sure you got her. Can you lift it?
Yep.
At that accrement? You good? Oh, what was that? Ah!
Only partial.
Yeah, only your zone. I'll just set her down right here. Kerplunk!
That is heavy as fuck.
Yeah, I know. That's why I needed a hand.
It's right into your mitts.
I tried to f***ing grab it, and I was like, yeah, this one time I f***ing lifted a van seat, and it didn't fucking go so good, and I'm gonna try to not do that too many more times because that sucks. Oh, how's it coming, buddy? Whoa, look at all the bits you got out already.
Oh my goodness.
You're so many good at putting bits out. Oh shit. Woo.
Good stuff. Oh, I apologize.
Out of buddy's way, Jim. He's actually doing stuff. Hey, sit down over here, Jim.
Yeah.
Yeah, have a seat on there.
Only if you guys sit on it with me.
Curl up, have a little nap.
That's gonna be the bed and the grumming. I'm just gonna. Yeah.
Not even.
I just sending her home, you know. Oh. Fuck. Oh dear. Well.
Because I was like, oh, these are black. They're fucking awesome.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have the coolest one at school.
Yeah. I'm gonna be the coolest fucking guy skipping school and being on drugs ever. Eh?
I'm gonna be the coolest guy on drugs at school.
Yeah. That skips out the whole time and doesn't go and comes home and says, I fucking went to my classes and stuff. It's like, oh my absolute fuck. No, you didn't, Jim.
I went to like one.
Yeah.
A couple minutes.
Yeah. I'm not lying.
It's flying right to your face.
Yeah.
Pound me.
Oh, fucking lion's gonna get you pounded for fuck's sake.
I was fucking telling you that I didn't go to class. Either way, I was pounded.
Yes, you keep fucking up. Yeah, you keep fucking up, and that's what happens.
I don't know what to deal with that shit anymore, but at times I kind of miss it. Like going to school, but then like not going and stuff.
Yeah.
And then like having to deal with the consequence.
Yeah. Getting everybody around you just mad as fuck. Yeah. And just these guys are fucking fucked, man. Fucking, just fucking trying to fucking skip school and fucking just like not prepare my fucking self for any type of future that they might fucking see, like, you know, want for me or fuck all. Fucking assholes. Eh? These fucking pieces of shit don't want me to just sit around and be Ricky the Secret my whole life. Fucking pieces of shit. Why can't they just leave me alone and let me be Ricky the Secret?
Playing with my dink and shit.
Yeah.
Wondering why it's all wet.
Yeah, wonder why the end's just wet as
Like all the time.
yeah, and it just will not dry out. It looks like a wrinkly old finger or something. Looks like an old lady's finger that's wet really bad. Like it's already wrinkly terrible, but then it's now wet, so it's like gray and shit. And it's like, oh
no.
fuck. Is that ever dumb? Fucking idiot. What? Oh, fucking these stupid fucking cars, they got bolts instead of nuts, so the as soon as you get the cocksucker off, the fucking wheels fucking flying off onto your legs and shit. Just a fucking stupid fucking goof fucking pile of shit. What the idiot moron fucking bastards. Oh no, buddy.
Well, your batteries.
Yeah, you're making an awful lot of fucking noise, eh?
Sorry.
Oh, sorry about that.
Yeah,
I'll put it on quiet. Can you put that on quiet? You think?
Wrap a rag around the blade so it's not so loud.
Yeah. Oh, hip hip. Rick's good fucking fence pinchers.
Nice.
Yeah. You know what I mean? It's not every day you come across Rick's good fence pinchers. You know what I mean?
It's true.
You just go around pinching fences relentless. I'm gonna stick my face down here if you can drop something in my mouth or eyes. That'd be cool. Oh, I found some screwdrivers and stuff. Oh, a stapler. That's
But there's some shit
That's good.
The back of the box how you didn't line it up. Like you can't fix that. Put another box on it. That's what you do there.
It's good that we're not into the same shit though, because then we don't have to fight each other for stuff. You know what I mean? Like I'll just give you anything I get like that. You know what I mean? It's not like it's not cool. I just not, you know, I don't have time for that shit. I got work trucks.
Yeah.
That fucking got to tow giant fucking shit. Really, that's all I fucking, if I didn't have to do that, I wouldn't need to drive, really. I'd drive a this thing. Okay.
Yeah.
But if you're gonna fucking tow and stupid stuff and driving like a Ford, you might as well just fucking write blank checks to the mechanic, you know what I mean? Like, fucking, there's no fixing them. They're just constantly fucking putting band-aids on it, band-aids on it, band-aids on it, you know?
Like that Chevy sitting out there, that's looking pretty rough. Good engine in it.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought I was
whole-
Mr. Auction Guy. I buy shit sight unseen, you know what I mean? That's a good idea.
Yeah. But yeah, that body on it is pretty rough.
What are you looking for?
13, like a deep 13.
Oh, buddy, there might be a socket in here. This is the other organized unit of...
Whoa.
Yeah, that's pretty good, right? So here's another situation over here we found ourselves in.
A couple wrenches too. Nice. That's
Yeah.
cool as well. A little mini screwdriver.
Choo it. Yeah.
You take it off?
Yeah, he's got to work, I guess. Something like that, anyway. Oh dear, startled me.
Something.
Mm-hmm.
There it is. Bull.
Oh, can we do it?
That'll work.
Flip it around just in the
Yeah, it's. Yeah. So look at where that bolt is.
Yeah, it's dick. You gonna get that out?
in the f are you thinking when you came up with that?
Yeah, no, it's in the proper way too. It's in.
Yeah. That's how you're supposed to install it.
Yeah, they fucked it up probably.
Yep.
Oh, my chain, is it gonna come out?
I was just looking at that.
Good lord. I should get as many of these as I can, eh?
Yeah.
Good sack. Hopefully there's even something in it.
It comes right out.
Empty.
Is it?
No.
Oh.
Oh, that'd be great, eh? All melted. Hey? So it's barely dangling, eh? That's handy. Okay, I'm gonna go in and eat. Don't get squidged. If this thing f***ing thunders to the ground, dive out from under it.